Um, Hello everyone, I'm Saranya, working as a assistant professor from SNS College of Technology, and today we are discuss about in linked list. First of all, the linked list is a fundamentals of data structures in computer science, and it mainly allow the efficient in insertion and deletion operations are compared to an arrays. Otherwise, a array is it's also used to implement other data structures like a stack queue and deques. In here, the linked list is a type of a linear data structures, and an individual items are not necessarily, and the individual items are called the nodes and connected with each other using the links. And the node is contain here two things. The first is a data and second is a link that connect it with another node. The first node is called as a head node, and we can traverse the whole list using this head and next link. And uh, the linked list versus array. Uh, it is the easiest way to understand like list is perhaps by comparing linked list with an array. The linked list is consist of nodes and it's the linear data structure. We make a uh, we make a ourselves to unlike arrays with is an existing data structure in the programming languages that we can use it. And node is a linked list store linked to the other nodes, but array element do not need to store the link in other elements. And the comparison of linked list and array are the data structure is the non-continuous and the memory allocations is typically allocated one by one to individual and element, and insertion and deletion is an efficient, and access is a sequential, and then array is a continuous data structures. Its the memory allocation is typically allocated by the whole arrays, and insertion and deletion is an inefficient, and access memory is a random process. And then next one is a types of linked list. There are the three basic forms of linked list. The first one is a singly linked list, second one is a doubly linked list, and third one is like a circular linked list. And last but not least a double circular linked list. It is an additional list of a linked list method. The first one is a singly linked list. It is a simple type of linked list in which every node contains the some data and a pointer to the next node of the same data in a type. The node contains a pointer to the next node means that the node store the address, uh, and then the next node in the sequence. And the singly linked list allow the traversal of data only in one way. It below the image of here in same. And the the next one is a doubly linked list. The doubly linked list is a two-way linked list. It is a more complex type of the linked list that it can contains a pointer to the next node as well as the previous node. Therefore, it contains the three parts of data and pointer to the next node and the pointer to the previous node, and this would like able to as to traverse the list in the backward forward and backward direction as well as using. And the next one is a circular linked list. A circular linked list is an type of linked list in which is the last node is the pointer next pointer point back to the first node. If the list the creating a circular structure, and the design allows for the continuous traversal for the list as there is a no null and then end the list. While traversing a circular linked list, we can begin at any node and traverse the list in the any direction and forward and backward until we reach the same node we started. Thus, the circular linked list has no beginning and no end. And below is the image of this process. And the next thing is a comparison of singly, doubly, and circular linked list. And the features of the three combines list are the node structure is a simply linked list is like a data and next pointer. Doubly linked list is a data previous and next pointer value. Circular is a data and next the last node points to the first node. The number of link is a simply linked list is a one link. Doubly linked list is a circular and two links. Circular is a one link to it between a circlet into the first node, and traversal is only in forward in singly linked list, and forward and backward is using in doubly linked list, and circular it can start from any node. And then the last node the points to null in singly and doubly linked list and point back to the first node in the circular linked list. And then the memory usage is less in simply linked list and more, and that means an extra previous pointer to connected in doubly linked list and less than in doubly linked list in circular linked list. And the insertion is easy and doubly linked list is the easy but needs an extra pointer to be an updated, and circular linked list is a easy and especially at beginning and end. Deletion method is slightly difficult in singly linked list and circular linked list, and it is and then easier because of the previous pointers in doubly linked list. And searching method is forward only on singly linked list, forward and backward in doubly linked list, and the circular is the search possibles in circular linked list. And then implementation is simple for singly linked list and more complex in doubly linked list and moderate in circular linked list. And then the application, the singly linked list is using in stack and queue methods. Doubly linked list like a browser, history, undo or redo. And circular linked list like a round robin scheduling playlist. Thank you.